Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, if you watch Michael's channel, you'll recognise Luke from when we went down to Pandora to get the car alarm sorted.
Right, so we are joined by the wizard.
But for today's video, we're actually going to be installing central locking.
Kind of Luke is.
Yeah, Luke's going to be installing central locking to my car, because if you think you have to lock it and unlock it.
Let's have a look at the key. No buttons.
It's very annoying. But yeah, it'll be nice to actually
Show the
have
kit.
a button. Yeah, we've got a kit.
We would not be able to know how to do this without.
Yeah, my God.
Ding!
Oh,
You got to
no.
put a red arrow to his face, you know.
Okay, I'll do that.
Watch out for the curry stand.
Okay, Luke's going to tell you what we're actually going to do
Oh, yeah,
because
so
I don't have a clue.
basically, this what did you say it was? It's a jellyfish. Basically, that's going to go into the front door. That's going to go to the passenger side. We only need 2 wires off that anyway. And it's just your lock and unlock. Power ground, basic system. I mean, Chloe's going to be fitting it. I'm just.
Yeah, basic, easy.
It may be.
Yeah, we won't have a no car left. So what? So I'm just running this through the car.
You're going to be running it through the car neatly.
Oh.
So
You're speaking to the right people.
Actually, you said my wires weren't too bad
They weren't
last
bad
time.
last
Better than
time.
yours.
they weren't bad enough.
The threading is through the car. Where's yours?
Where's the key? Come on, Luke. Big up.
You got if you need anything done, anything. Don't even have to be
You don't even have to be electric.
just anything. You want your carpet cleaned, kitchen cleaned.
Luke,
just hit him up on Instagram.
Luke's your guy.
Luke_BS
WC.
WC, and he'll do anything. Ask him.
Luke, you got a cleaning service, do you?
Kneel on that.
He has no idea what we're on about.
Hey.
Then put it through here.
So I'm going to make you a stick.
Oh, okay, lovely.
Make it a little bit easier. And then put that through, Michael can grab the other end.
Don't grab the other one.
That'll do. Right there.
Nice.
Shit, man. You dressed up like a bad boy. Jimmy.
Why don't you just tuck it behind the car?
Yeah, so don't come out. Look at, she just didn't listen to you, did she? Look, what is she doing?
Yeah, this is easier.
You supply him with the right material, and she just sits in a footwell anyway. How's it feel down there?
She got a nice knee up, but she just sat in there. This is Chloe doing this, not Luke.
Just give it live and power, plug in something and see if it works.
I then undid these screws so that we could get to the wires underneath so that we could get power to run the motors for the central lock-in.
Put the key in, because your steering lock will go on.
You fuck.
Oh, sorry. Oh, this is really annoying because we've got the fucking red card.
Oh yeah.
See how annoying this is to get on?
It'd be hilarious if I was making you take it off for nothing.
Don't joke. Yay!
Finally!
Okay, Luke's gonna have a look at what. I didn't have a clue.
Got any lives here first because they're nice and easy. Oh look, straight away, that's nice. Make sure it doesn't drop off.
So then we connect it to that one.
So at the moment that's a permanent. What I'll do is I'll leave it like 10 minutes, test it again to make sure it doesn't drop off.
Yeah.
And then that'll be our permanent live, and then we just ground it so you complete the circuit, and then it will just work. So unlock, lock. There we go. Well, that works.
Nice. So then that goes in here.
Goes in there, pushes the rods
Nice.
literally up and down. All you need to do is just make sure it goes the right way though. So to unlock yours and to lock yours, so unlock is up, lock is down.
Yeah.
So to lock yours, it's meant to be down, but this one's going up.
Yeah.
So all we need to do is just turn the connections around.
I need to sort of checking that.
And obviously now it's green to blue, blue to green. If we then tap this on the ground. So now when we press the button, there we go, like that. I'll have to extend the wires anyway.
Yeah.
So then put that all the way up here.
And then I'll push that.
Push this up and down. Which Chloe's gonna do.
Yeah, of course. I then tried to attach the motor onto the door, but if you keep watching these clips, you'll see how fucking useless I am. I mean, poor Luke, Jesus Christ. Am I supposed to put the rod in?
Yeah.
Do I have to do that before I...
Yeah.
Oh, do you know how fucking long it took me to get that screwing? Because I couldn't hold all of the things at once.
You have to put the rod through first.
Oh. Luke?
Uh-huh.
I just dropped... and I fucked these as well. I think...
For God's sake. I think it's a screwdriver. Seems good to me. Let's
mounted the motor up, so these work now.
Make sure that
Properly drill it in.
And then we'll cut the rod, so then it'll go up and down.
What we're doing with these wires?
So they're just going to go on the inside of the door, which you can do, run down here.
Yeah.
And just plug in.
Connect.
And then I'll put some tape around them, so because the rubber bits on here are crap. So
yeah.
Thanks.
So we're adding extra wire to here so that it can go thing there, because otherwise he said it's going to get caught in the window. So I've already cut the wire and
stripped it.
Stripped that there. I said I've got to do this slowly.
Look at it. If you want to get technical, we can put some solder on it if you want.
No.
Look at this, Luke. You turned her into an electrician.
Yeah, check me out.
Automotive electrician, sorry. Oh, look at that. That's mad. What the fuck?
So this side we fitted the motor onto the door so that these go down and up. We've ran the wires, so they come obviously round there. Ran the wires down here. I don't even know if you can see them. Yeah, they're all down there. So these are all wired now. That side's the same. Yeah, like test it, ready? Hold on. Oh, it's already unlocked. Lock. Unlock. Then what did you do down here? This is the...
Oh, this is a little controller box. So we're just going to stick it behind the carpet somewhere or up the top.
And then you got a little
LED that comes with it.
Yeah, so it's like a little alarm, like a fake alarm system. So when I lock it, it's going to flash blue. We're going to just put it up here somewhere. No one's going to want to steal Cindy because
it's got a fake alarm.
She's got a fucking alarm in. It's not real, but who would know?
Your radio back there. Hey? Now if you lock it.
Hey, it does work. I then put all of the door cards back onto Cindy, screwed everything in, and then, you know, job done. Okay, so the central locking has now been installed. Luke's just left. Yeah, big shout out to Luke. I'll leave all his Instagram, phone number, like work phone number, everything in the description as well. And
if you want this done to yours as well.
Everything, like.
He's a wizard, mate.
He's a wizard.
Luke was good because he actually got you to do it.
Yeah. I mean, Luke did pretty much most of it, but I did.
But you did help. You did that side.
Yeah, I did that side. But yeah, look, got a little key.
Hold on, let's go. It looks like a GTR key.
Yeah, it's quite cool. You have two, but I'm going to keep one obviously at my house as a spare. But yeah, let me show you guys. So it's open right now.
Right, this can be uncut. Ready? Go on.
Let's do both doors. Let me show you. The other door's open. See? Open.
Okay, I love the way we have to show this.
Yeah, and then shut it. Lock.
Oh.
And then wait.
Oh my god.
Lock. And then ready?
I did not think this would work. I was like,
I had no faith. Oh no!
I have faith in Luke, but I don't have faith in the.
I get out, I'd always push you down and you'd hold the handle, or I'd get in and I'd have to fucking put my key in. Now look at me, I can literally like go out to my door already.
I love that. Smashed it.
Yeah, the what kit I got, oh yeah, it was off eBay and it was £29.50. So
£29.
it's £30 to get. It's so like, it's so much easier.
I mean, most cars already come with
most
central
cars have
lock-in.
it, but if you get a car that doesn't have it,
If you're into your classic cars as well,
yeah,
like.
buy one of these sets and then hit Luke up and get him to install it.
But yeah.
Yeah, I'm really happy with that. Like, it's gonna be so nice because it's really, I was saying,
It's embarrassing,
really embarrassing when I take like passengers, right? So we come out of work and I'm like, oh hold on, I've got to unlock your door. So I have to go to mine, unlock it, get in my side, lean over, open it. So they're stood outside like a dickhead, like. So yeah, big thank you to Luke. Check his
Luke's a G.
check his business out.
Yes, go support him.
Yeah, go
He's a lad.
support him.
We love him.
We love him. What a guy. Locked.
It's so funny that like this is so normal to most people like me.
Yeah, but when you've had a car for like however long without central locking, it's fucking lit. You get it. It's so cool. But yeah, anyway, unfortunately, I'm gonna end today's video there. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you did enjoy. I'm on Instagram at @chl_.oe. Subscribe to my channel down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.